Paano nga ba i-promote ang digital products mo online? If you are a beginner pagdating sa pagbebenta ng digital products, then this video is for you. Hi everyone, this is Rose, your website and funnel designer and the founder of Freedompreneur Academy Facebook group. So ngayon pag-usapan natin, paano natin i-promote yung digital products natin without running an ads and lalo na kung wala kang mga followers pa. So, first thing first ay mamili ka ng platform kung saan ka mag-focus. So, marami dyan like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. So, just choose one platform lang muna na mag-promote ka, na mag-focus ka, na i-grow mo ang followers mo on that platform. So, for example, TikTok nga yung napili mo. So, create an account on TikTok. Mag-follow ka ng mga coaches and mga creators na nagtuturo about TikTok strategy, TikTok tips and tricks. Panoorin mo yung mga videos nila and also i-apply mo yung natutunan mo sa kanila doon sa sarili mong account. So, grow your account like mga 500 to 1,000. And also, as you grow your account, ay unti-unti mo nang i-introduce sa kanila yung mga ino-offer mo like services and digital products kung meron kang binibenta ng mga digital products. Mostly talaga, ang kailangan mong gawing content is mga valuable content, which means kung panoorin nila ng mga audience mo yung video mo ay may matutunan sila sa'yo, like ma-inform ba sila, ma-educate ba sila, or ma-entertain ba sila. Ang pinaka-focus mo talaga dito is to grow your followers on that certain platform bago ka mag-jump into another platform. Kasi mahirap po talaga i-manage kung sabay-sabay na magkaroon ka ng different platform. It will take you a lot of time, lalo na kung solopreneur ka, wala kang social media manager, and nag-iisa ka lang talaga sa business mo ngayon. So, for me talaga ay pili ka lang ng isang platform para mag-grow yung authority mo on that platform, para mag-grow din yung followers mo on that platform. So, yun lang muna yung pinaka-advice ko sa'yo guys, and sana ay may natutunan ka.